today's project is a Cobra mod called DigiCam. Pretty easy one to do. I ain't seen it for a while. Alright. We're doing with a 4-strand core consisting of 2 strands at 14 inches long, melded, seamed together to create a loop, connected to form its core. We're also going to be using 2 different colors, purple and red. Both of them are 42 inches long or 106.68 centimeters. I really won't need SIDs until the end, but I'm going to use them just for demonstration, showing the weave better. Okay, you're going to need a lighter or some kind of fire, a pair of scissors, sharp knife, your teeth, unclipped toenails, and a presser or your finger, back to the lighter, scissors, whatever you want to leave. And let's do it. Okay, we come through cow hitch all the way through both. The red is going to be on the left where the red is, and the purple is going to be on the right where the purple is. Yeah. Okay. Now, purple down in between 2 and 3 and comes up on the loop on the right side and untwist at the same time. Yep, there we go. And from the left side, red comes up from the center, across it down through the loop on the left side. Cinch tighten. Red goes over everything, and the purple going over the red, underneath everything, and up through the loop on the left side. Okay, and now down from the right side, down in between 2 and 3, and comes up on the loop on the right side. From the left side, purple comes from underneath and down through the loop on the left side. And purple going across everything to the side. From the left, the red goes over underneath, up from the bottom, in between the loop on the left side. And that's the whole weave. Really can't get much easier than that. Again, right side over, down, in between 1 and 2, come up to the loop on the left side, and try not to see that twisted. Yep, there we go. And from the left side, up from the bottom, in between 2 and 3, down to the left, in the loop on the left side, down through, tighten up, cinch. Left side, red goes over everything, all the way across. The purple from the right side goes over the red, underneath everything, up through the loop on the left side. And just continue all the way through. And I'm going to speed up some now.
In these knots a bond we find, strand by strand our hearts aligned. Every twist a tie that binds underneath the starry skies.